In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add a blog section to your website using the Paramount theme. Every WordPress website has at least one posts category. You can use any title that you want. In my case, I'm going with a category title blog. Now let's link to our blog category from the primary menu. Go to the menus page in the appearance section and open the primary menu. Expand the categories panel, select your category and click on the Add to Menu button. Now place the link anywhere you like by dragging the link item to the preferred position. Save your changes by clicking on the Save Menu button. Now the blog is accessible from your primary menu and you can start writing your blog posts. Go to your dashboard and click on the Add New Link in the Posts section, not the Pages section. All your posts will be displayed on the blog archive page, starting from your most recent one. On the Reading page in the Settings section, you can change the number of posts that are displayed on a single archive page. You can contact our support team if you need help setting up one of our themes. For an additional fee, we provide a quick and professional setup package. For more details, you can contact our support team before or after you buy one of our themes.